Good morning.
Good afternoon.
Yes, good morning. Today we're going to make a cocktail. Hey, welcome to BarTalk&Cocktails. You know, the way we do things around here, we make a syrup, and then a little later, we make a cocktail with that syrup. Now, we recently made my triple berry supreme syrup, and you can make it yourself. Just check out the link over here somewhere. Okay, you know, it's been really hot here where I live in Canada, and we've just been going through a heat wave like crazy. And this is going to be the perfect little cocktail for those hot, sweltery days and evenings. So what we've got going on here is our triple berry supreme syrup. This is so damn good. And we want 4 ounces, okay? We put it in our blender. 4 ounces. In our blender. All right. Lemonade. Lemonade is always great on a hot day. We don't want a lot. I'll drink that later. It's pink lemonade. 1 ounce of lemonade. You can double up this recipe too. Okay, Mascato wine. This is an easy drinking wine, packed with juicy and fruit distinct flavors like peaches, Bing cherries, and ripe raspberries. It's a sweet wine for sure that seems to have the right amount of fizz to it. At only 9% alcohol by volume, or 18 proof, it has a vibrant red color with floral aromas. It finishes with hints of zesty citrus. A little too sweet for me, but I found adding ice helps. I would imagine it would pair well with spicy food. Now this is a really sweet wine. We want 6.5 ounces. Looking good. Some sugar, a good heaping tablespoon, and a little bit of ice, about 3 ounces, which would be about that. Blend her up. I'm thinking that looks pretty good. And what we want to do is just make some ice cubes. Sweet. Can you smell it? Oh, sweet. Look at that. Look at that. We got it all. We got it all, baby. So that's I guess that's 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14 ounces we made there. All right, and all we want to do is pop this in our freezer here. And wait until it freezes. All right, I think our ice is frozen now. Oh yeah, baby, look at that. Ha! And what we want to do is add this to our blender. All these wonderful cubes here. Yep. Beauty. Okay, we've got our berry ice cubes in the blender, and we're going to add some more Mascato wine. About 2 ounces there. We'll start there and see where we get. Needs a helping hand. That's thick. Thick stuff. It burned my motor out. I think we're there. So we need a glass, and I think that might be a nice little glass for us to try here, eh? Let's pour this wonderful berry slush out into our glass. Oh, beauty, look at that. Look at the color of that. Isn't that gorgeous? And we'll just garnish it here. Maybe with some rosemary, because we actually did use some rosemary in our syrup. Rosemary, oh yeah. A little cherry, of course, a little cherry, because the Mascato wine is brimming with cherry flavor. And a couple little straws here. Oh baby, look at that. Look at how beautiful that is. And you know what? I'm gonna just taste this. A little bit of sugar on top. Oh, let's give it a go. Let's give it a go. It's beautiful, eh? That's delicious. That is really, really delicious, really refreshing. You know, while you're blending up your berry ice cubes and your red Mascato wine, you could fortify your cocktail with maybe some rum or gin. Maybe a half an ounce to an ounce. That would fortify it, wouldn't it? Wow, that is so cold, so delightfully refreshing and sweet on such a hot, hot day. You gotta make one of these things. This triple berry slush, it really is good. Make a whole pitcher full. I'm liking it. And what we're gonna do here is make some ice cubes. And what we're, okay, let me do that again. I'm on Patreon now. Yeah, for just a few dollars a month, you get access to things that nobody else sees. You get bloopers, you get podcasts, newsletters, and sneak peeks. You get a whole whack of stuff that you're gonna love. So become one of my booze hounds and help support the show. This stuff gets expensive, and every little bit goes back into the show. Thanks in advance. I think I'm getting a glow, actually. Wow, that is delightful. It's sweet, it's refreshing, it's full of freaking flavor. Try my triple berry slush and hit the subscribe button. Check some other videos out. And I don't know, I'm thinking don't wear a tie when you drink one of these.